Pricing pages are designed to confuse you. You see three columns with names that mean absolutely nothing, and you are left wondering why your digital notebook is suddenly asking for a monthly subscription. We are looking at a tool used by over 25 million people. That is a massive group of users who are all trying to figure out if they are being squeezed for every penny. Let us start with the free version. It feels generous at first glance. You get the handwriting engine and the PDF markup tools. You can even use the whiteboards. But then you hit the wall. It is a hard wall. You are limited to exactly 3 notebooks. That is not a library. That is barely a single semester of classes. If you try to bring in a large file, you are met with a tiny 5 megabyte limit. It is like trying to squeeze a massive textbook into a tiny envelope. Then comes the watermark on every export. It is a constant reminder that you are using the trial version. But the real sting comes when you try to change your mind. If you have been a paying user and you decide to stop, any notebooks beyond those first 3 become read-only. Your own thoughts are essentially locked behind a glass display case. You can see them. You can read them. You just cannot edit them. That feels incredibly personal. It is a bold way to keep people paying. Now, most people are going to look at the middle tier. It costs about $12 a year. That is a single dollar a month. For that price, the walls basically vanish. You get unlimited notebooks. You get the cross-platform sync. The watermarks disappear. The import limits are gone. It is a strong deal. It is the version that makes the software actually usable for a student or a professional. But then we have the top tier option. This one is triple the price. You are looking at $36 a year. You might assume that paying 3 times more gives you 3 times the power. That is where the math gets weird. The most talked about feature is the artificial intelligence. People think the expensive version is the only way to get the smart tools. Here is the secret they do not advertise. Both the middle and the top tier give you the exact same amount of monthly AI fuel. They both cap you at 525 credits. That is roughly 3 hours of work according to their own internal math. You are paying triple the price for the same amount of gas in the tank. The expensive version adds things like cloud library sync and live collaboration. Those are great if you are a manager or working on a massive team project. If you are in meetings all day long, maybe those tools earn their keep. But for the average person just trying to take better notes, the middle tier is a clear winner. You can even add the AI features to the middle tier as a separate pass if you really want them. You do not need the most expensive plan to get the best experience. It is all about knowing where the value actually lives. Most of the time, the shiny top-tier features are just distractions for people who just want a digital piece of paper that works every single time. Stick to the middle ground and keep your budget intact.